What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today, this video is going to be about an app called Piggy. And with Piggy, you can basically do offers, play games, and fill out surveys. So with that being said, I'm just going to make this quick and we're going to jump into it today. So with Piggy, I basically played for probably a max of a week or so, like 5 days. And I just basically played around with the app, played some games, just looked at everything that they had to offer, and yeah, it's a pretty decent app, and I found out that the payout actually is pretty quick as soon as you select a payout option, and yeah, it gets sent out right away. But with that being said, let's take a look at this app today. Alright, so Piggy. This is the home page that it brings you to when you open up the app. And let's just read some of this stuff up here. So basically it says, bonus, you get a 2x multiplier live for exclusive games and playtime games. You start playing existing games to unlock more high-paying games. Invite your friends and earn $5 per friend when they make any cash out. And you get a surprise bonus amount, maybe 50 cents, $1, $100, or $1,000 when you cash out at least $3 every time. And so they have exclusive game offers. They have instructions on how the app works. They have a featured offer, which is playtime games. They pay you like by the minute when you play the game. They also have daily free points. Go ahead and collect that. You can rate them on the Play Store. There are CPX research surveys, which you can earn up to 100 points per task. BitLabs surveys, which I trust the most. BitLabs is pretty good, and you can earn up to 100 points per task. Or you can earn 100 points for inviting 3 friends. You invite 3 friends and you get 100 points. You also earn unlimited points by inviting friends, so you earn 20% points for each task your friend completes. And here's the redeem page. Basically, they have $1, $3, $5, $10, $30 for PayPal, and then $1, $3, $5, $10, $30 for Amazon. And basically, they're the same point amounts. So whatever you choose, either PayPal or Amazon, they're the same point amounts. You can look at my reward history, and I did cash out $3 from PayPal, which was 600 points. And here's my points history, which shows you how much I earned, what was deducted, all of that stuff. And then we can go to the invite page. This is the invite page. Basically, it'll show you your invite code, and then there's this button right here that you can click, and it will help you share your invite message code. And it's going to show you friends invited and points earned from invites. Points earned from invites. Here's where you can input your friend's invite code. You can earn 10 points when you enter it. Up here at the top, you can refresh your point balance to see your total balance. And yeah, basically, I'm going to show you the games that I earned with. These are the games that I earned with. Cash Hoard casino slot games. I earned 183 points with them. Rock and Cash Vegas Slot Casino, I earned 546 points with them. Idle Soap ASMR, I earned 47 points. And Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusade, I have not started that yet, but it does pay out a lot of points. Here is the offer page, one of the offer pages. And if you scroll down, there's tons of apps, tons of games to choose from. And that's basically everything you guys need to know about Cash Piggy. It's pretty simple and easy to use. This is a short reminder that I do have a Discord now set up. And if you would like to join the Discord, that way you can find videos and apps more easily, I will leave the link to the Discord in the description below. Also, you can find a link to my Discord on my channel in my links on YouTube. So make sure you join. Let's get back to the video today. Alright, so I'm recording this voiceover after the fact, but we're gonna cash out this 807 points. So we're cashing out $3 today. And basically it's gonna ask you for your PayPal email, and you just enter it. And so once you enter it, it's gonna be pretty much instant. You're gonna wanna refresh your points at the top. But basically, then you go to your reward history. It still says pending, but eventually, like 2 minutes or so, then it becomes sent to your account. But yeah. So these are the featured offers, and these are the games that I showed earlier within this video. So basically they pay you by completing levels and in-app purchases. So this one didn't pay out a whole lot, you know, and neither did this one up until you reach like level 50 or something. And they also paid out for in-app purchases too, I think. This one was really slow on earning because you just sat there chopping soap all day and it was boring. And then this one, it's pretty good with the earning, but I just still haven't played it yet. I haven't even downloaded it. So they have a lot of features and a lot of apps in here that you can choose from. Pretty much anything you think of, like Raid Shadow Legends, Chime, Yada, Gravy Pass, Survivor Idle Run, Gemini Exchange, Hospital Frenzy, Winning Slots Casinos, Classic Solitaire, TikTok Lite, Block Smash, Stumble Cars, Free Sell Solitaire, World Winner Pay for Cash. Okay, so basically you want to collect your daily points every single day, and it's going to tell you how much time you have left. And if you invite 3 friends, you get 100 points. So make sure you send out your invite link to all your family and friends. And here's mine that you can enter. After you download the app, you just enter this in the input friend code tab, and you can get points. So that is it. So as you guys can see, Cash Piggy is pretty simple and easy to use. You can earn straight away by just going to the app and collecting your daily 10 points. And you're gonna get some bonuses probably for signing up, but as well as you can just play games in your free time for fun and earn points on them. Now, this has been mentioned by another viewer commenter before in the past, they have said that certain games, if you download a certain game on one app, the game is going to give you points on both of those earning apps. So certain games will pay out to both of those apps, but you kind of just really got to find that game that will do that. And once you find that game that pays out for both of the apps, you're automatically earning twice, you know. So that's a pretty good tip to look for. If you're downloading a game to play, make sure you check it on your other apps, because sometimes you might get points or coins or something like that on your other apps. But yeah, as always, I thank every single one of you for tuning in to today's video and all of the other videos on my channel as well. The app reviews playlist and all of my other playlists. I appreciate every single one of you. Appreciate the comments, the likes, and everything. If you do want to find this app and download this app to try it out for yourself, I will leave all of the links in the description of the video, as well as the comment section. And if you guys have not noticed, if you go to the description of each and every one of my videos, they will have links there to all of the other apps that I've shared, and just apps that I kind of use on a daily basis. They will be in every single description on each of my videos. But with that being said, that's all the time that we have for today, and I again thank each and every one of you for tuning in, and I will see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.